right, here we go. We got our Super 73-R. A lot of these moped style bikes with no way to clamp. This one might have potentially been able to clamp in, but as you can see, they welded this in here. So there's not much I can do to get this into a bike stand other than maybe grab this, which is going to have the bike twisting because this is too horizontal. So we go ahead and put this up on the Kendon stand-up motorcycle lift, and then we get the rear wheel off the ground with the scissor jack, and then we go through, now we got the wheel up here, we go through and remove the rear wheel. This is a very strange system that Super 73 uses. This is a hole in this dropout, not a dropout. So if I took this axle nut off, this wouldn't actually come out. I'd have to slide this off. So the only way to get this wheel out of here is to remove these bolts and slide the whole assembly back. In order to do that, you have to get the chain off, get the chain tensioner off. Then you also have to get the brake caliper off. So, and then of course, you know, the motor cable. So we're gonna get right into it. It's a little bit complicated, but not impossible. Again, I'll probably take the brake off first, because again, these are coming out with the rear wheel. So we have to separate everything from this to get the rear wheel free of the bike. So we'll let that hang out there. We'll go ahead and take these bolts out. Take these bolts out, and then we're gonna get to the other side. Take bolts out over there. And then we're gonna take this chain tensioner off. So it's going to stay with the chain. That kind of hang out there. And then we can move this chain off. Then we can remove these bolts. So once I got all that out, now the rear wheel will come out. But you know, the complexity of this job is just having all this extraneous equipment in order to just remove a rear wheel. It's not like a standard bicycle that you can just put in a frame. You can't flip these bikes over easily because the tendency is to break the controls. The only option is to get it up on a stand and then lift the rear wheel off. And then once we've got that done, then we can slide this guy back, and it comes out like that. So I don't actually remove the axle nuts to do a tire change on this particular Super 73. Hope this is helpful.